What is up and welcome back. If you are new here, I'm Cody Pratt, aka Random Hero. Are you considering getting a new tattoo, but the artist is asking you put a deposit down on your tattoo? What is a deposit? Well, I'm going to break all that down and everything you need to know about deposits and how they work right now. So let's talk all about deposits. There are some people who've never heard about a deposit, and there are people who just don't know how they work. So I'm here to clear things up for you. Well, you've done your research and you've finally found an artist to do your tattoo, but now they're asking for a deposit. So why do some artists want you to put money down before they even tattoo? Well, in most cases, and quite simply, it is an insurance policy for the tattoo artist. And just basically they want you to show up for your tattoo appointment. Let's say an artist just spent 3 hours prepping for a tattoo appointment. They drew your tattoo, they set up for the appointment, and then the client just doesn't show up. Well, now that artist just lost out on income for those 3 hours and all the supplies they just used for preparation. However, some artists also use tattoo deposits to gauge how interested and serious the potential client is about getting tattooed by them. If they're not willing to pay $50 as a deposit that's going to go to the tattoo anyway, are they even going to show up for the actual appointment? Remember, it takes time and money for an artist to create these designs for their clients. Time and money that could potentially be wasted on someone who isn't committed with going through with their tattoo. So the next question you're all thinking about: how much should I expect to pay as a deposit? Great question. And the answer is simple, but there's two possible answers. So some artists require a set amount. So for me, my deposit is set at $50. And then there are some artists who do it based on a percentage. So if an artist charges 25% for the deposit and you're getting a $100 tattoo, your deposit will be $25. The good news is, in most cases, the deposit is actually deducted from the total tattoo price. So if you pay me a $50 deposit on your $200 tattoo, at the end of your tattoo session, you can expect to pay $150. But this next part is very important. If you don't show up or you do cancel last minute, you run the risk of forfeiting your deposit. But every artist is different, so make sure you talk with your artist about what their rescheduling policy and their cancellation policy is. If you do no call, no show, or you cancel without rescheduling or giving normally 24-hour advance notice, your deposit is now forfeit. And if you do set up another future appointment, you may have to pay another deposit. Now, I know deposits can feel intimidating, but they really aren't all that bad once you understand why they even exist in the first place. And they really do give both parties peace of mind that each person is going to hold up their end of the deal. And if you are still unsure on how much to put down as your deposit, just ask your tattoo artist. And remember, deposits aren't forever, but your tattoo is. So don't sweat the small stuff. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about paying a tattoo deposit. Don't forget to like this video by smashing that thumbs up button, and you can always support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and clicking that little bell for notifications when we come out with new tattoo and tattoo advice videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Cody Pratt, and we'll see you in the next video.